Hi, welcome to IT How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use VSCode running on Ubuntu 22 desktop to actually connect to another Ubuntu machine via SSH. So I'm just about to get started. So what I've got here is a new installation of Ubuntu 22 desktop. This was set up in my previous video a couple of days ago, and in that video I did actually install VS Code. I'm just going to double check to see if I have it installed or did I remove it. So it looks like I did remove it, so I'm going to go back and reinstall it. So I'll go to the Ubuntu software store, click on search, then type in VS Code. Just go to VS Code again, click on install. We wait for it to install. It's now installed. I'll go to the bottom left, see if I can find VS Code. If I can't find it here in show applications, I can just go to the search bar at the top, type in VS Code, and there it is. So I've launched VS Code. It's actually, because I've already installed it before, it does show my local home directory on the left hand side on this particular machine. I'm going to open up a terminal and just going to log back into my my physical Ubuntu 22 desktop machine, which is actually running in text only mode at this moment in time. So I have been using this machine to work on a personal project, and I also have LXC installed on that, but I won't be covering that in this video. So I'm just running LXC list. So the next thing I will do is go back to VS Code, go to Remote Explorer on the left hand side. So to go to Remote Explorer on the left hand side, I needed to actually install an SSH plugin, which is this one, Remote SSH. So once the Remote SSH plugin is installed, you will see this icon appear on the bottom left. On the bottom left it will show SSH targets. I'll click on plus here, then I'll just type in the SSH command that I would use to log into the other machine. So I'll try that now. So the other machine has this IP address 192.168.1.161. Type enter. We are now presented with what SSH configuration file to choose. Sorry, or to update. So I'm going to select the first one. It says host added. Then I go to the bottom right here, which says connect. I think my webcam video may be obscuring this. I'll see if I can move this. I can't move this. I'll move the webcam window very quickly. Here we go. Click on connect. Then go to the top left. Not the top left. Then I will go back to Remote Explorer, go to that machine, right click, connect to host in current window, and it's connected. I go to open folder, then I'll click on bin. This is actually the project I was working on in one of my previous videos. It's going to ask me, do I trust the authors of the files in this folder? I'm the author of the files in this folder, so I do trust it, I hope. Click on yes, and we are good to go. And as you can see, these are the scripts that I've been working on previously. So that's about it. So thank you for getting to the end of this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Also, please feel free to Hit the notification bell should you wish to be notified when I upload further content in future. But most importantly, please reach out to me in the comments with any suggestions or ideas you may have, and I'll keep yourselves fully engaged. What I also like to do is take video ideas from viewers, and that makes me extremely happy to engage with yourselves, and I'm happy to record a video should you submit any ideas to me. Apart from that, have a very, very lovely day. Thank you very much.